Hello everybody, I Tushar Jain, CFO and Research Head of Ajay Astro Money Guru. Welcome all of you today on 10th November 2021. In this episode, I will discuss about my views on Indian stock markets and what all things you need to consider for next few trading days. So let us first look at the global cues and especially the yesterday's US markets. The US markets were weak yesterday and because today US inflation data will be announced and there is a risk and of inflation, and if the inflation will be high then there will be risk of and possibility of interest rate hike, as whenever the inflation goes beyond the set limit of by the central bank of any country, we have seen that the central bank of that country increases the interest rates. That is why some profit booking have been seen in US markets in the yesterday's session. And also, since US markets were up from last 8 continuous trading days before yesterday, and from last continuous 8 trading days, the US markets, especially Dow Jones and Nasdaq, are continuously making new all-time highs. Therefore, the investors and people are cautious and they booked their profit yesterday to be safe in case the interest rate hike or the inflation will be higher. Apart from US market, the Asian markets were also weak in the today's morning, and especially the Hong Kong and Chinese market were weak more than 1% due to the Chinese high inflation data, and due to which the US markets are also showing further weakness as of now. Also, Indian markets, if we see the yesterday's FII net sold around 2500 crores in cash market, and the FIIs are continuously selling in the cash market in Indian markets, and despite of more than 25,000 crore of selling in the last month, that is of October, the FIIs are continuing with their selling streak in Indian markets, due to which the Indian markets open gap down, and both Nifty and Bank Nifty are more than 0.5% down, and if we see the Bank Nifty, it is almost down by 1%. But on contrary, if we see the India VIX, it does not go up as compared to the downfall seen in the Indian markets, which indicates that the overall sentiment for the long term, the market is expected to be positive only. And also the auto stocks are showing good returns, and especially the M&M, that is the Mahindra and Mahindra, also announced its results yesterday and results were good. Although this weakness in Indian stock market is expected to only for the short term, and it is advised to buy quality stocks in every dip, and Indian markets are expected to recover and bounce back from the lower levels, and the overall sentiment of the market is still positive. We can see further positive and recovery in the Indian stock market in next few trading days, so you can consider buying quality stocks, and you need not to worry much about the short weaknesses which can come immediately for the short term perspective. The overall sentiment of market is still positive, and the recovery can be seen in the second half of the today's session or from tomorrow as per the numbers. So that's all for the today's episode. See you in the next episode. Thank you and good day.